DMR number 2, part A, we're going to write the inequality for the following statements. All right, so the car needed less than 18 gallons of gas. So we have gas, our variable, or our letter is G. 18, and it says the car needed less than, so not equal to, but less than. So G, the gallons, is going to be less than that 18. Now we're going to plot this. We are going to have an open circle. Oops, sorry you guys, that should be 18 down here. 18, negative 18, there we go. All right, so we are going to have an open circle down here on 18, and we are going to shade which way? Well, if we have the variable on the left, we can look at this like an arrow, 18, or going to the left. So that variable G, we're going to shade anything less than, smaller than 18. Is 0 smaller than 18? Yes. Is like 17 smaller than 18? Yep. Negative smaller than 18? Yep. So we're going to shade everything to the right. I mean left. Whoa, my bad. Everything to the left. Everything to the left. To the left, to the left. Everything you own. Oh, we got to do the Cupid shuffle. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, we're going to identify or just name two numbers that can represent the number of gallons of gas the car might need. So, anything less than 18. Any two numbers less than 18. So, you can say, well, it could have 17 gallons. It could have 5 gallons. I don't know. It could have anything like that. And that's going to be it for the DMR number 2. Great job!